Hello guys, let's find the four inequalities on a graph. Right, on this case we are given these inequalities on a graph and we want to find all four of them. All right, the first one, the symbol one, is this one. This line right here is cutting through x at point what? 2. So the first one is x is equals to 2. Okay, but we have a bold line here, like I said earlier on. If you see greater than or equal to or less than or equal to, there should be a bold line. Then if you see less than, sorry, greater than and less than, there is a broken line. So right here, there is a bold line. So it's either greater than or equal to or less than or equal to. Okay, so x is equal to 2. Then there's this bold line, and they shade this part here, which is the greater part, meaning to say the inequality was less than or equal to y, because on inequalities they always shade the unwanted region. So they shade the greater part, meaning to say the sign was less than or equal to. So x is less than or equal to 2. That's the first inequality. Then the other one, as you can see, along the y-axis, they shade this part right here. So there is a bold line, and the other name given to this line, the y-axis, is x is equal to 0. And another name given to the x-axis is y is equal to 0. So you have y is equal to 0 and x is equal to 0. So when x is equal to 0, they've shaded the lesser part. Are we together? They shade the lesser part, meaning to say the sign was greater than or equal to 0. Okay, so let's go to this one. X is equals to 0. They shaded the lesser part, so the sign was greater than or equal to. So x is greater than or equal to 0. Then the fourth one, that's this line. It's cutting through the y and the x-axis. So we're going to use this equation of a straight line. Y is equals to mx plus c. M is for gradient and c is where the graph cut the y-axis. So I have discussed it earlier on this topic, which is a coordinate geometry. So you can check it on. Okay, so y is equals mx plus c. M is for gradient, c is where the graph cut the y-axis. So the graph cut the y-axis at 0.4. So it's y is equals to mx plus 4. Then we have to find the value of m, which is the gradient. So you can take the coordinates here. At y, it's 0 and 4. Then you can take the coordinates here at x is 4 and what? 4 and 0. So you can name the coordinates. This is x1 and y1. This is x2 and y2. So the formula for finding gradient is y1 minus y2 over x1 minus x2. So y1 is equals to what? 4 minus y2, 0. x1 is 0 minus 4. 4 minus 0 get 4. 0 minus 4, we get negative 4. Negative 4 into 4, we get negative 1. So it's y is equals to negative 1x plus 4. Okay, so on this case, we have a broken line, meaning to say it's either greater than or less than. We have a broken line or a dotted line. Okay, so they've shaded the greater part, meaning to say the sign was less. So it's now y is less than minus 1x plus 4. That's the fourth inequality. The first one, the second one, the third one, and the fourth one. So that's